Director and crew, please come up to say a word or two, or just the director? Or just the, here he is, Michael Fausti, everyone.
Hello, Ben.
Hello. I have to say, I was quite impressed you took on all those celebrity roles yourself.
Thank you.
And but then halfway through, about the Jim Morrison part, I thought, no, he's got a kind of, you've got a plasticky face that can.
Sorry about that.
Well, I'm sure it'll clear up. No,
Thanks.
Somehow you've got a sort of an every face that you can sort of, you just get the hair and then you're that person.
Thank you. I think once people see beyond the hair, I can be anybody.
Well, did you consider hiring a bunch of lookalike actors for those scenes?
I'll be purely honest with you. It was economic. I didn't want to pay other actors. So I did all the roles myself, but I thought also it would be this guy mix kind of walked psychosis that he would also, he could be Jim Morrison, he could be Elvis. I didn't actually shoot the Judy Garland sequences, but we did have a discussion about it. But I just thought it would be more interesting if this guy actually thought that he was so famous that he could fit into any role.
There was a lot of shots of you lying half dressed on toilet, bathroom fixtures and on the floor and bathrooms and stuff like that. Did you have to borrow a lot of people's bathrooms, or did you fake up the same one?
No. I mean, I think there's a total of 6 or 7 bathrooms that we used, and when it came to the 70s bathroom, we went down to a hotel in Margate and we shot all the Jean-Paul Francois stuff, but the actual toilet just kept running. And I sort of said to my missus, should we be cheeky and see if we can get another room? Because at that point we hadn't decided what was going to be the Elvis bathroom. And they gave us another room. And it was perfect. It really was his bathroom. So we basically, wherever we went on holiday, where there was wherever there was a bathroom, we shot a sequence with dead celebrities. So, yeah.
Brilliant, and the hotel never knew about it?
No, we had no permission whatsoever.
Excellent. That's what I like. And, yes. And, did you guerrilla shoot anywhere else?
Sorry, say that again?
Did you like that shooting guerrilla style?
Yes.
Did you do that anywhere else?
Yes, the scene where you see him walking around the City of the Dead was shot in Porto, and our writer who's sitting at the back, Matt, it was his wedding, and just after his wedding we started roaming around cemeteries to actually sort of film that scene, again without permission. And the scene where he's in the Carpathian Mountains was shot in Austria, again just when we was on holiday. So we sort of pieced this together over the course of about a year.
Wow. So what's the latest thing?
We're working on something called Exit, which we shot last May. Guess what that was inspired by? Exit.
What else?
Exit.
Sounds like
What X? Yeah. Ready Break. No. Yeah, basically inspired by Brexit, and it's about an English couple and a French couple who find themselves double booked in the same apartment. What could possibly go wrong?
Excellent, apart from everything. Well, thank you very much, Michael Fausti.
Cheers, Ben.
Everyone drink. Drink Fausti beer. Maybe you get some of that money. Anyway.